Sage X3 can be run from your favorite web browser, whether it be Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Apple Safari, Microsoft Internet Explorer, or Opera, to name a few. You can access your application by entering the server name or IP address. Port 8124 is traditionally used, but this may vary with your installation. Regardless of which browser you choose, the same welcome screen is displayed to log on. The Remember Me flag can be used on secure systems to keep your user ID and password for 4 weeks, meaning they won't be required the next time you connect to your system on this particular computer. When logging out, you can choose to have the system forget your login credentials by selecting Forget Me on this computer. This will ensure that your user credentials are not saved on this computer and will be required the next time you connect to your system. When logging onto the cloud, you may get a user authentication login screen. Here you will enter your Sage ID and password and select Sign In. Depending on the user authentication, you can also use your email address to log on. To log in to Sage X3, select your favorite browser. I'm going to use Google Chrome. Enter in your server URL. At the login screen, enter your username and password. If this is a secure computer and you don't want to have to enter in your username and password every time, select Remember Me. Then click Sign In. This will bring you to the navigation page. When you're done using X3, always remember to log out. If you don't want the computer to remember your username and password, select the Forget Me on this computer. This way, the next time you log in, you'll be required to enter in your username and password. In this lesson, you have learned that Sage X3 is browser agnostic. You can use your favorite browser to access your software. Regardless of browser chosen, you can enter either the IP address and port or server name and port to access your software. And finally, depending if your computer is secure, you can choose to have the system remember your login credentials so they won't be required every time you connect to your system.